guys, it's April. It's mystery box time. This one does have a cutie in it. This is called Persimmon Permission. So that's a little hint as to what color that cutie is. I'm going to show you guys in just a second, but I want to say thank you to Cricut for sending this box to me, guys. If you shop my links down below, I will earn a small commission, and I thank you in advance for that. It helps me bring you more videos and more tutorials and projects, and I greatly appreciate your support. So now let's hop on over and take a peek at this box. Hey guys, sorry about that. I don't know what happened to the video, but it blacked out. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick what's in this Persimmon Permission cutie box. It is, again, for access subscribers only. If you're not subscribed, please click the link down below and get access, and you can get this mystery box. How cute is that Persimmon cutie? Love, love, love. Great to add to your collection. And I know that you guys can see this stuff because I already threw the box out. But it's tons of stuff. You're going to get the Bohemian 5-pin set. It has 5 different colors in it. I think the one is plum. They're different teal, dark forest green, I believe. I'm not sure of the names of all of them. But great pins. These are the extra fines. I love these for my cards because it makes them look a little more professional. Love those extra fines. This stuff, guys, this is like gold. This is the Cricut craft board. I use this when I'm making boxes for t-shirts and things like that so that they're sturdy, because if you're putting anything heavy in a box, 80-pound cardstock won't work for those. Well, it will work, but it's not going to give you a nice finish like this one does, and it's not going to be as sturdy. So this comes in the sampler pack. You're going to get 30 sheets, 10 of the natural, 10 black, and 10 white. Love that. You're also going to get what everybody's been begging for, the classic sampler in the glitter cardstock, and it has 5 colors in it. You get 2 sheets of each. Guys, this stuff doesn't shed, and it cuts like butter. I'm just going to tell you right now. You get the orange, the white, the black, and the gold, and some silver in there. So, love the Cricut glitter cardstock. This stuff is awesome too. This is the Cricut faux suede in the rustic sampler. You get 1 sheet of each of the faux suedes. Guys, these are great for making earrings. As a matter of fact, I have a video making some mouse earrings with these two, the red and the black. And you can iron on the back and then cut. I use the Cricut foil iron-on the back of these and then cut it. And it gives a great finish so that your earring's finished on the front and the back. And you can iron on the top of it too. Done that. So you're going to get 2 of the standard grip Cricut mats. You are also going to get a roll of the 3 12x24 sheets in the dark metallic sampler of the textured. Guys, this stuff is awesome. I love this on shadow boxes and stainless steel cups. The chocolate brown in there is perfect for your coffee themed projects, like coffee themed stainless steel tumblers. Love it on that. This is the adhesive foil in matte. This is the gold color. There is a 12x48 sheet of that in there, and I think, let me see, this one is not one that comes with, this one doesn't come with the strong grip transfer tape, but you can use both. I've used both on that. So that you're going to get a roll of that, and then you're going to get some strong bond iron-on. Guys, this is the neutral sampler. It is great for those flesh tones when you're looking for something to do flesh tones when you're layering your vinyl. And of course you get a sheet of white in there to go on your darker t-shirts. So that works great. Love, love, love strong bond. And last but not least, you are going to get a roll of the premium vinyl in the shimmer. This is the gold, and it does lie flat. It has a 12x12 sheet of strong grip transfer tape in there, and you need it to transfer this. If you try to use the gray grid, it's not going to stick and it's not going to work. But if you use what it comes in the roll, you'll be fine. And it's a 12 by 48 sheet. So run and grab that. Again, I apologize for that other video. I'm not sure what happened, but guys, you're going to love everything in this box. I will catch you on the next video. Have a great day. Happy crafting.